Hello friends, welcome back. I'm Himanshu, and in this video we are going to the next level. This means we are going to protect a worksheet. I am in this particular worksheet named data. I want to protect it. I want to protect it so that no one will be able to do any changes in this data and will not be able to make any new entry as well. So for this you need to go to review tab, and there you will see protect sheet option. You need to click on this. A dialog box will open with few options. Here it's asking for the password. You can give any password, so I'm giving the password, and then there are few options or checkbox you may see. Now this is something very important, and let me read it for you. That is, allow all user of this worksheet to. These options are what are the options which you want your user to do once the sheet is being protected. Right now it's select locked cell and select unlocked cell. What is locked and unlocked cell, I will get into this later on, but for the time being you should be aware of that all the cell properties by default is locked properties. Overall, you are allowing the user to select this cell. Means when the sheet is protected, user will be allowed to select cell. Apart from selection, if you want anything else also, like format cells or format columns, you may click on that particular checkbox. Right now I'm not doing anything and clicking on OK. Again it will ask for the confirmation. Re-enter the password. I've done that. OK. This sheet is protected. In the home tab, if you will go, you will see all the formatting option is also inactive. This means in a particular cell you will not be allowed to do any changes as far as formatting is also concerned. You can't make any changes here. I'm trying to delete this. It will give an error. If I will try to write something, again it will generate an error. This means I'm not allowed to make any changes in this particular sheet. Remember, this particular sheet only. If I will try to make changes in any other sheet, I will be allowed to do that, because when you are protecting a sheet, only that particular sheet has been protected, not the other sheets. Now I am going to unprotect this. So for this, go to review and unprotect sheet, give the password, and the sheet has been unprotected. There is another option that need to be understand. Protect sheet, I'm going, and I'm allowing the format cells also. I'm giving the password, confirming it, and now you may see in the home tab the formatting options are active at least. Means if you want to do any formatting, yes, they are allowing this. So I believe you have better understood what is that allow option is for. So whatever thing you want to allow to the user when the sheet is protected, you may keep that checkbox tick. Okay, I'm going to review, and again I'm going to unprotect this. Now one thing, I want to protect this sheet, of course, but when this sheet is protected, I want that user should be able to do some entry in this 3 cell for the first name, last name and qualification at least. No other cell but the 3 cell a user should be allowed to do any sort of changes. So how to do that? You need to do the selection of cells which you want to allow at the time when the sheet is protected. So select the cell. I have done that, and after that go to review, and there you will see the option of allow user to edit ranges. Click on this option, allow user to edit ranges, and then again you will see the option of new. Click on new, and you may give a title to the range that you are allowing to. By default the name is range 1. Fine, I'm not going to do any changes, and refers to cell. The cell range is this one which we have selected. It's correct. In the range password, you may give a password. If you are going to give a password here, it's going to be protected twice. And how it will work, let's see. So first of all, I'm not giving the password in this particular range, and click on OK. Then click on apply and then click on OK once again. Right now it will not make any impact because right now each and every cell is allowed. I need to protect the sheet, so I'm going to protect sheet and I've given the password and the sheet has been protected. Now any other cell, no, it's not allowing, but in this cell I can do the changes. This is what allow user to edit ranges do. I'm going to unprotect this. If I don't want to allow that, and if I want to remove that particular cell range, click over here, allow user to edit ranges, select the range that you have allowed and delete it. Again, I'm going to do the selection. I'm going to go to new range and then refer to cell. I have made a selection of this 3 cell. Range password I can give. So I'm giving the password here. Okay, confirming the password and okay. Again I'm going to protect the sheet. This time is like if you are doing changes outside those ranges where it's not allowed, it will generate an error actually. But here if you are going to do any changes, it will ask you for a password, the password that we have given at the time of allow user to edit ranges. So I have given the password and now you can do the changes. Unprotect it, go to allow user to edit ranges, and here you can modify also. What you can modify? You can modify the title and you can modify the cell range also. You may click on the password option and you can give the new password as well. However, I am not doing any of this. So this is how you can protect any particular sheet. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.